Alright, so we're checking out this Vevor 200W portable folding solar panel. So here are some of the specs. It's of course rated for 200 watts, weighs about 16.5 pounds, and each panel is about 710 by 610 millimeters. The operating voltage is 18 volts, and when it's fully unfolded, it's about 2400 millimeters by 533 millimeters. And this is how it was packaged, wrapped in some foam. Came pretty secure, no damage to the panel. So you can see on the outside here, there's a pouch. Inside there is an MC4 cable that goes to the panel, and then an additional cable that splits off into 4. I'll show you that here in a second. As well as you can see one of the adjustable stands that's on the back here. It's connected to the panel via Velcro. So the panels are held together at the top by the handle by some strong magnets, and then on the bottom side they're held together with some Velcro. And you can see how the stand can be adjusted to different angles using this strap here and the little button. So inside the pouch here you got your instructions, and you got some cables. You got an MC4 connector cable that goes to the panel itself, and then you got a 4-in-1 cable here, MC4 connector on one side, and the other side you've got looks like 2 barrel connectors and an XT60 and an Anderson connector, so it should work with a wide variety of power stations out there. So look at the panel itself. It's IP67 waterproof rated. Pretty standard flexible solar panel construction. Obviously they don't want to make it too heavy to make it nice and portable. So generally speaking, this is in line with most other flexible portable solar panels that are on the market right now. Pretty similar. And here it is all set up with the stands on the back, and trying to find the proper angle to the sun. That's very important to get the maximum output from the panel. And you can see here I have it connected to my Blue Eddy power station. And it looks like we're getting about 170-ish watts coming in on that panel. I'm going to try and adjust the angle here to get a little bit better power out of it. So that's probably about the maximum you can expect from this panel. It is the middle of winter, so the sun is kind of low in the sky, and even though it's a clear day, the angle of the sun might not be optimal for my location at the time of day. But for this panel, I think around that number is about what you should expect for I guess a maximum number, maybe possibly a little bit more if it's summertime. So I did adjust the angle a little bit here, just optimize it a little bit more, but I pretty much got about the same amount of wattage out. I think that's going to be close to the maximum for this panel. Anyway, I think that's going to cover for this video on the Vevor 200W portable folding solar panel. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. That'll do it for this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.